One of the most commonly asked questions by prospective initiates in Yoruba spirituality is, why do I need to shave my head during Ifa or Orisa initiation? In a world where hair is often tied to beauty, identity, and self-worth, especially under Western beauty standards, this requirement can bring emotional and social concerns. Friends or family may not understand, and initiates can feel pressured or even shamed. But hair shaving in Yoruba traditional religion is not about loss. It is about rebirth, cleansing, and deep spiritual transformation. In this video, we explore the 4 core spiritual reasons behind this ancient ritual and explain why it's a sacred and powerful part of becoming one with the divine. Before we explore, don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more Ifa and Orisa wisdom. 1. Initiation is a spiritual rebirth. Initiation into Ifa, or any Orisha path, is more than a religious ceremony. It is a rebirth of the soul. Shaving the head marks the shedding of your old identity, ego, and worldly attachments. It's a symbolic return to your inner self, Ori, the divine consciousness that guides your destiny. This act of letting go is meant to strip away societal definitions of beauty and self-image, helping the initiate reconnect with their purest spiritual essence. 2. Hair carries energy and personal history. In Yoruba metaphysics, hair stores energy, memory, and emotional imprints. By cutting it off, you cleanse your body of past influences, emotional baggage, energetic imprints from trauma or external projections. Shaving becomes a powerful ritual of purification, allowing the spiritual self to emerge unburdened by the past. 3. The Ori must be cleansed for power to flow. The Ori, or spiritual head, is your divine seat of wisdom, power, and destiny. During initiation, the Ori is recentered, aligned, and empowered. Removing the hair makes the Ori more receptive, allowing it to receive spiritual energy, connect with divine wisdom, accept the blessings of the Orisa and ancestors. Just as a new crown must be placed on a clean head, your spiritual crown, Ori, must also be cleansed and prepared to carry divine responsibility. 4. It's a sacred mark of transformation. A shaved head is a visual symbol that the initiate is undergoing deep spiritual transformation. It signifies a rite of passage, a connection to ancestral traditions, a visible marker of initiation. This is not just symbolic, it is ancestral. All over the world, sacred traditions, Buddhism, monastic Christianity, and African priesthoods have used head shaving to mark entry into higher knowledge. In Ifa and Orisa tradition, it links the initiate to a lineage of spiritual warriors and priests who came before. Exceptions exist, but must be divined, not desired. It's important to know that not all initiations require full head shaving. There are exceptions where only part of the hair is cut. Hair is kept intact, based on specific instructions from Ifa or Orisa. But these exceptions are not based on personal preference. They must be determined through divination, not fear or social discomfort. In Yoruba spirituality, shaving the head during initiation is a sacred rite of power, not shame. It is a physical sign of spiritual elevation and a sign that you are ready to walk the divine path of Ifa and Orisa. Rather than seeing it as a loss, understand it as a gift, an offering of self, ego, and identity to the ancestors and the divine. True beauty comes from alignment with destiny. Share and subscribe if you found this informative.